Here is Juliana, a Jersey girl from Clark, taking advantage of one of the many 4+1 programs at Ramapo College. Juliana will graduate with her bachelor's and master's degree in just 5 years and become a special education teacher. Amazing. Juliana, we're ready for your lesson plan.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Ramapo was actually the first college that I toured, and on orientation night, I got to meet the faculty and advisors that would be guiding me through my next 4 years. I loved how I felt important right away. I wasn't just a number here at Ramapo, I was a valued individual. Growing up the oldest of 4 and the daughter of a teacher, I always knew that I wanted to be an educator. I was blown away by Ramapo's various affordable and proactive 4+1 programs. Since I knew I wanted to enroll in the Master of Arts in Special Education 4+1 program, I began taking graduate level courses as an undergraduate student. And I was able to save money by paying the undergraduate rate. In addition to special education, Ramapo offers 4+1 programs to earn your MBA, MSW, and MFA in creative music technology, and master's degrees in data science and accounting. Knowing that I will have earned both a bachelor's and a master's degree in just 5 short years alleviated the stress of having to apply to graduate programs, as well as the cost of application fees. Students can apply to most 4+1 programs as incoming freshmen. Another great feature is that most undergraduate majors that offer graduate programs can become 4+1 by just connecting with your advisor early and setting up your coursework. I love how Ramapo has connections with hundreds of K-12 districts that provide outstanding classroom experiences. Right now, I'm completing my full-time student teaching, and I can definitely see how what I've learned in the classrooms on campus has prepared me to be a successful teacher. I couldn't feel more prepared to begin making a difference in the lives of my special needs students. What's next, Alex?
Juliana, thank you for keeping the family tradition going and becoming a teacher. 2 degrees in just 5 years is a smart way to make yourself extremely marketable while saving money. Ramapo is consistently ranked one of the 100 best values in undergraduate education and recognized for its return on investment. For parents, an emphasis on affordability is really appreciated. Incredible.